Alright, so what I'm going to do now is we're going to have a black bar, black line across the bottom here, and we're going to put our title on top of that. First thing we're going to do is pick a new layer. Black line, I'm going to call that, and put it underneath the group here of our people, our characters. And then I'm going to go to the brush tool, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I use my brackets, small bracket or left bracket, right bracket to change the size of my brush. And I'm going to go to the default, which gives me a black dot. And now here's a cool little trick. I want to draw a straight line across the bottom. So I click here, hold down the shift key, and click at the other end. Boom. And it just draws a straight line in between for me. And the other thing that I'm going to do now is hit V for the move tool and see that show transform controls are turned on. And I can adjust this black layer to whatever height I'm going to end up using. By the way, the settings for my brush tool up here were with the hardness of 0, so a super soft brush as well. So that's pretty necessary in order to do that.